Acupressure for constipation. In this video, you will learn what acupressure is, how to use acupressure safely and effectively, how to find acupressure points for constipation. What is acupressure? Acupressure is a traditional Chinese medicine practice that stimulates the same points used with acupuncture, but with hands instead of needles. How to use acupressure safely. Before you start, it is important to follow these safety guidelines. Do not use acupressure on areas with open cuts, bruises, wounds, redness or swelling, surgical incisions, also called a cut, medical devices like IV tubes or a central line, tumors or known areas of metastases. Never use acupressure in place of other treatments your healthcare provider has prescribed. If you have any questions or concerns about using acupressure, talk with your care team. How to use acupressure effectively. Most acupressure points are located on both sides of the body. When you find the point, use the soft pad of your fingertip to apply steady pressure. Either press and hold the point or use small circular motion. Apply pressure for 3 minutes. The pressure should be firm but not painful. When you press on the point, you may feel a mild ache, soreness, or tingling. These feelings are normal and can be a sign you are pressing on the right spot. You should not feel sharp or intense pain. If you do, reduce the pressure. Press on each point as many times as you'd like each day. How to find acupressure points for constipation. The 3 points that may help with constipation are Sanjiao 6, also called Triple Energizer 6, Stomach 37, also called Upper Great Hollow, Large Intestine 4, also called Joining Valley. Now, we will show how to find each point. Sanjiao 6 point. This point is located on the back of your forearm, about 4 finger widths from your wrist crease. To find the Sanjiao 6 point, turn your arm so your palm faces down. Place 4 fingers from your index finger, also called your pointer finger, to your pinky on your wrist, starting at the wrist crease. Where your index finger rests is where the Sanjiao 6 point is. Place your thumb on that spot. It should be in the groove between the 2 bones of your forearm. Stomach 37 point. This point is located 8 fingers below the knee and 1 finger to the little toe side of your shin bone, the hard bone that runs down the front of your leg. To find the Stomach 37 point, sit comfortably with your knee bent and your foot flat on the floor. Place 4 fingers of one hand just below the bottom edge of your kneecap. Then place 4 more fingers below that hand for a total of 8 fingers below your knee. From below your bottom finger, move your other hand 1 thumb width to the outside of your shin bone, toward your little toe. Use your thumb or index finger to feel for a soft spot or small dip in the muscle. This is the stomach 37 point. Large intestine 4 point. Do not use large intestine 4 point during pregnancy. This point is located in the middle of the fleshy mound of muscle between your thumb and index finger, also called the pointer finger. To find the large intestine 4 point, bring your thumb and index finger together. You will see a mound of muscle form between them. Place your opposite thumb on the highest point of this fleshy mound. Now, relax your hand by separating your thumb and index finger. Your thumb should now be in the fleshy part of the web between your thumb and index finger. Another way to find the large intestine 4 point is to feel along the bone on the back of your hand that leads to your index finger. The point is at the midpoint of that bone in the fleshy area between your thumb and index finger. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have questions about acupressure, please contact your care team. For more patient education videos, visit fredhutch.org/patient-education-videos.